Alrighty guys, so what is going on? Jacksepticeye here and welcome back to another reaction video. Today I'm reacting to a Jacksepticeye video. Today we are reacting to something called Try Not to Cringe Horrible Sounds Edition. Can you survive? Now I have the video put at 1 minute and 25 seconds because I want to get straight into the sounds and reacting to them and everything like that. I know some people got mad at me before for fucking starting the reaction early and shit like that. Listen. We're doing it like this because I just want to get straight into the sounds because, you know, they talk about sounds. If you hear chalk, nails on a whiteboard, like fingernails on a whiteboard, or anything really sharp on a whiteboard actually makes that screeching noise. Or if you feel things like, there are certain things. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'll show you something that I actually can't really touch well, or to give me a really weird feeling. Alright, well I actually can't find it, but you guys know, like, cutting boards, the things you cut steaks on and shit like that when you're making dinner and shit? If I, like, rub my hand on that, like, I get a really weird feeling in my hand, a really weird tingly feeling. I just hate it. And there are certain things at work and shit, dude, that I just can't touch because I get a weird feeling. So hopefully we'll get straight into the sounds and everything like that when we start this video, but we'll see. Let's go.
For this one, so I took down a list. After that video, I went ahead and asked people, what made them react to sounds? What sounds made them react that way? And I can't do the feeling test because you guys can't participate in that one. So I got a bunch of sounds, and I called them cringe sounds because I don't really know what else to call them. They make you cringe. They make you wince. The try not to wince challenge. That's what we'll call it. So I do have some really bad ones, but we'll start off with. So hopefully I can find somebody. Paper crinkling was one of them. Okay. Already weird. I'm already cringing just because it's an ASMR video. I don't like ASMR videos. They creep me out. Stop it! You're whispering into my soul. I don't really see anything bad with paper crinkling. Well, this isn't really paper crinkling. I need that crunch. Oh, that's what I'm looking for. No, I want to see somebody like scrunch it up because this doesn't bother me. Apparently, it bothers some people. There was a lot of people who actually had this one.
Yeah, I think it makes like a crackling and a popping sound, and it's I believe it's the fact I don't cringe by it, but I believe I understand why other people do. I think it's the frequency of the cracking, like how fast it happens and how loud it is. That's what gets people, you know, triggered.
A thing that they reacted to or cringed to. This is fine.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's worse. That one is definitely worse. But see, there's a difference between ones that actually, like, make you want to grind your teeth or bite your nails or something or scrunch up your fists to something that's just annoying. The crinkling of paper is just annoying to me. It reminds me when I was younger and I used to go to
Turned it up a little bit, so I'm gonna pause every time I talk.
And some old guy at the back of the church would take out sweets and you just hear the plastic crumpling. This is a chewing with your mouth open one. Again, this isn't something that makes me cringe.
Nah, I can't. Nah, I fucking hate people who chew with their mouth open, dude. Nah, I don't want to do this. They're fucking eating chicken too. Like, nah, this gonna be disgusting, bro.
It's something that makes me want to punch a child in the face.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, get on with it.
Oh my god. That's annoying.
Okay, yeah. It does make me cringe.
God.
Oh, God.
I hate people who be like that.
Oh, seriously, I'm clenching my fists.
Bah, fuck that bitch. Literally, every fucking time they move their mouth.
She's chewing with her mouth closed now, thank God.
Nope.
Never mind. I can't. Does this count as cringing? This is just my hate my life face. You dropped some. Come on, unprofessional. I believe it's mango. Oh no. Oh, it just makes me want to vomit. Oh no, Jesus.
Like, I hope you die, bitch, if you chew like that every fucking day.
That's not the stuff I'm looking for. You know the ones I'm talking about. You know when you hear like a screech of like metal on metal or something, and it makes you like, it just makes you want to do this, or it makes you want to like rip your nails off or something, or the feeling of your nails like rubbing like a glossy photograph kind of thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like,
Okay.
like my nails or my fingers or anything like that. If it rubs across like a cutting board or anything with like, you know, anything with that type of surface area or feeling or texture.
Let's get to the good shit. Oh, that's one of them. Oh,
I'm okay with that noise.
Okay, no, that's one that does it to me. This is Wade's worst nightmare. Wade hates that sound, and I get it. It's like, it's not so bad when that's rubbing against it, when you rub styrofoam against itself. Not only is the sound of it just like inside your head like a bullet, but the feeling of trying to do that, and that's where my brain always goes. When I hear these things, my brain goes to how it feels. And I'm doing this all the time, like scratching my nails. Oh, God, I hate it. What is it? This sound is worse than a blackboard. Oh, God, no.
Yeah.
No, that's one of them. Oh, Jesus, that's one of them. Again, not for the sound. I know how that
1 second, guys. Alright, let's get back into this.
feels on my nails. It makes me want to rip my nails out and throw them into the sun. Ugh, I fucking hate that. I don't know what that reaction is. I even posited the question to people to try and go for a search, and I found something from Hank Green on the Sci Show. Somebody mentioned it on Tumblr to me, and I watched that, but that was more like screechy sounds, because it sounded kind of like animals or people in distress or something. It made like a psychological factor, but it didn't really answer the question of this. Why this one drives me insane. I should have put a fucking disclaimer at the start of this video. No, that's like the chalkboard one. Again, you can feel your nails actually doing it. Oh, it's really bad. Okay, so since we're in that fucking horrible neck of the woods,
God damn
why not
it.
take a roundabout trip and... That's not bad. That one's fine. That's more, I can like feel the feeling of that, but that's not bad.
I hate that. Oh my god, I really do.
Why'd you fucking do it then? That's a bad one. Fuck. Oh, I hate that. It's making my fingers feel all tingly. Oh, Jesus, why? Why am I doing this to myself? I'm sorry, I'm doing this to all of you as well, but we're doing it in the name of science. We're not going to get any results out of this. We're just going to figure out what fucks us up. Oh, no. Oh, here we go. This might be the worst one. Oh, Jesus. Okay. That was helped by the
So
fact
much
that was a
sad.
terrible recording.
There was so much sound on that one.
Here it is.
Okay.
The worst. Oh,
Okay.
that's it. Oh,
I don't like
Jesus.
that. I don't like that as much. It wasn't bad until you went fast. Then it's a little bad.
No, it's still not. I have a version of these sounds in my head that I can hear where it's like a... That's the really bad one. When it hits like that perfect pitch. None of these are doing that yet. That's it. That's it. Oh, it's getting me here. In real life, it doesn't get me because it doesn't sustain. It's normally I'm cutting something and then you get that one like... And that's not so bad. But when it's sustained like that, oh, it fucks me up. There's a scene in Ace Ventura actually like that. This. Stop. Okay, let's leave that there for fear of copyright. But oh god,
I
no.
love Ace Ventura.
Oh, those are bad ones. I'm wondering how many people at home now are like crunching up their toes. My toes have been like this the entire video. What else did I have down? Nails on chalkboard, knife on plate. Ooh, balloons. Okay. That one's not so bad. I can handle that. Yeah, that one's not so bad. That's not what I was expecting.
I'm okay with that.
They do get worse, though. Are you going to make it worse? Or are you just going to keep this whole time?
That was good.
Okay. That one. That's a bit worse. See, this one for me is more of a texture thing again. If I get two balloons and rub them off each other, that'll make me want to just pop them with my mind. But just hearing them, not that bad. Someone start fucking the balloon? Oh, that one gets me. That one is definitely.
I don't like markers
either. It's not
either.
as strong as something like the nails on chalkboard or like. Again,
I just don't like the
a lot of
sound.
my ones are got to do with feeling, but this is.
Squeaky marker.
Oh no! No! Oh god, that's horrible. I hate that.
We loves us some squeaky markers.
This dude loves some fucking squeaky markers, but that middle sound. Ah, that one. Ah! You know when you're strangling a rabbit. Ooh. Have you ever heard a rabbit in distress? By the way, let's listen to that. Aww. It's okay. Oh.
Okay.
Let him go!
I'll show the kids.
But yeah, that's the sound that rabbits make when they're hurt or they're in distress or they're in danger or something like that. It's a sound that you wouldn't think would actually come out of a rabbit. It's okay. And that's what that reminded me of, like the sound coming out of a balloon or the squeaky marker sound. Whoa, I'm gonna have to just go like dunk my head in a bucket of oil after this. And the last one, people told me that they hated, well not the last one, there was a lot of them, but these were the recurring ones, was the dentist drill. Which, to me, dentist drills, they do sound bad, but it's more of a thought about what's happening with the drill and the fact that you know that they're like drilling into your teeth kind of thing. So maybe that counts. I don't know, but let's give it a listen. Ooh!
Okay.
Oh!
Ooh.
The drill itself is not so bad. That's
When it
not
hits the
high-pitched,
teeth.
It's just annoying to listen to. But hearing them, like, you can hear the teeth chip away. Oh, I don't like that one. But again, it's not one of the ones that makes me want to like flick my nails or grind my teeth or anything. It's just the one because I know what's happening. I know that they're in your teeth, they're in your mouth, and that's just a horrible feeling anyway. It's like danger, danger, danger. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, it's so bad. Not only that, but it looked like it was shot by Satan. Oh, stop it, dude. Stop.
How did you do
Maybe
that?
does it for this video. Oh my god.
Alright,
that's horrible.
let me see if I can find that fucking
What are you
thing
out there?
that I was trying to find. The cutting board. Alright guys, so I found it. This is a cutting board. Of course, you put some chicken on the bit. Slice, slice, slice. But if you look really closely, you can see like the texture. It's very... There's a bunch of little like dots everywhere, and like rubbing my hand on it or like doing shit like that, I hate that. The fucking feeling sucks. Maybe you guys can hear it. Maybe you guys will not like it either. But I fucking hate it. So like a video if you enjoyed, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to join post notifications and tell us the things that we can cover in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video when me and Isaiah are reacting to Dragon Ball Z, most likely tomorrow. Peace.